In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a sales order to a sales invoice. Here we have the transaction of 19 January. Send all items to Mr. Albert against previous sales order. So previous sales order is this one right here on 13th of January against these items. So we are sending them the items. Let's convert the sales order to sales invoice. For that, on the left hand side, we can click on the sales module, and here we click on sales order. And once we are in here, there is only one order for Albert. Click here, and simply on the right hand side, we click on convert to invoice. In the subject, we just copy and paste this narration. Order number is 25, converted to invoice. All set, and click on save and send. Send to, click on send. Here is the invoice produced. But if you notice, this invoice is against the full amount of the order. But if we refer back to this sales order, we have already received some amount in cash as well as the customer advance. So 5,000 is the amount that we have already received. So we cannot issue them this invoice which demands them this total against all of these items. We have already received some amount, so that needs to be adjusted in invoice. If we scroll up, we have this option right here, credits available of 5,000. Click on apply now. Credits to apply 5,000. The invoice balance due will be 4170. Click on apply credits, and then immediately this invoice will be adjusted with the new balance, and you can see the invoice in this format. So again, a very convenient option in Zoho Books to deal with these kind of scenarios, especially when the order needs to be converted to invoice, as well as the customer advances needs to be adjusted within the invoice as soon as you convert. So this is how you can do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.